What's up, you guys? Eddie here. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome all my day ones. Welcome all my new viewers. Welcome. Remember to smash that subscribe button. Turn on that post notification so whenever I do release new videos, you're going to be the first to be notified, alright? So, today I got a very special video for you guys. I got a requested video. I pulled it on my Instagram. Looks like the winner of today's mukbang is Red Lobster. I was so effing happy when you guys picked this. I've been craving Red Lobster for a good minute. Today we're going to feast. I got the coconut shrimp, mashed potatoes, some rice, the cheddar baked biscuits on deck, and then of course I haven't tried this before. This is the pina colada sauce. So I'm really excited to try this. So you know what? I'm just gonna dig in. Let's just try one of these.
There's been some support when later in disease progression, but we are still working on preventing the replication of the virus and spread in mild to moderate cases rather than more serious.
Oh yeah.
And it's got very good reviews. Running it for many doctors.
Damn, that's good. This is good. So how are you guys doing today? Hope you guys are doing well. Today is just like a boring day, nothing exciting here. I was gonna get the clam chowder, but I don't know why. I just didn't want to get it after all.
Those of us who had a military life, some of us around the world, we've been taking this drug for years.
These are so good. Oh damn, these are good. Really fresh. Like I can taste the potato in it. I haven't had their potatoes in a minute. I've had it before. I'm sure I have. The rice is okay. It doesn't have that much flavor. Not bad. But honestly, if I'm gonna keep it real, I'd rather have like a rice roni or make my own. Not bad. But these bad boys, bomb. That sauce, man. You can taste the coconut. Had a pina colada. This is what it definitely tastes like. And the drink, I just have a cranberry apple drink.
It's gotten a bad reputation only because of all that say it's the greatest thing ever. But because of me. So a lot of doctors swear by it. I think you can say that, Mr. Secretary.
My God. These are so fresh.
It's been around for 70 years. Unbelievable.
When I go to Red Lobster, what I usually have is, of course, these. I usually have the salad and chicken Cajun Alfredo. That's what I've always had. And whenever I went to Red Lobster, I never actually had the fish. One time I did have it, like one of my birthdays, at the shrimp scampi. Yeah, I got really sick. So, yeah, so ever since then, it really turned me off from getting seafood.
Brazil has gone more or less herd. You know what that is, herd. And they're having problems than anybody else. So we test much more than anybody else. Again, we're close to 14 million. We say 12 and a half. It's actually close to 14 million.
Everything's so good.
2 million, that's a lot. And others are doing 1 million. So if you're testing 14 million.
Let me know in the comments when you go to Red Lobster, what do you guys get?
But in a certain respect, it's being a good thing because it means our testing is much better. So if we were testing 1 million, so I view it as a badge of honor. Really, it's a badge of honor. It's a great tribute to the testing and all of the work that a lot of professionals have done. They're going to bring their
I hope you guys can see the food.
I don't want people over there sick either. We're helping Brazil with ventilators.
But yeah, this is definitely a filling meal right here. And I was actually going to get a dessert, They give you a lot of shrimp. They give you like 10 shrimp. Damn. All this was like $31. So not that bad. I did have it delivered, so I didn't actually go out and get it. I was just feeling really lazy today. Damn, I'm getting full. You know what really made me want to get Red Lobster? I don't know if you guys seen that video that's been circulating here on YouTube. It's gone viral everywhere, I think. But I saw it on here on YouTube. Crazy.
No, stop it! Get out from my climbing track! You don't get it! Get out!
The numbers are coming down all over the United States very rapidly. Very rapidly.
You know, I want to try to make all this homemade. Would you guys want that? Try to make like a homemade Red Lobster meal.
And it shouldn't have happened. Thank you very much, everybody.
Should be easy, right?
All right, we've been listening to President Trump answering the question that the White House is going to use the ground speed chloroquine to treat and practically prevent coronavirus. Has warned Americans not to use it outside of the clinical trial or the hospital. Members of his cabinet were there, and affairs backing up the president in his desire, by keeping open mind, of wearing a mask for an upcoming trip to a Ford factory, where everyone is expected to wear a mask.
He was talking about yesterday, today, that he went after much more directly there, saying that he believed it was phony and that it was not done by friends of the Trump administration. That statement from being ventilated, it actually caused
Shit. I just realized I forgot to turn off my TV, so you can probably hear the news in the background. Sorry about that, y'all. Whatever. Yeah. So how do you guys feel about the country opening up? You think we're ready to open up yet? Here in California, we're like in phase 2. So in another couple of weeks, we should be ready to open up most places. But I was reading and watching that Texas. Let me know if you're watching this if you're in Texas. Shortly after they opened up the state, that the cases went up. So it makes you think: are we really ready to open up and go back to as close as normal as possible, or I don't know. Some people are ready to go back to work and back to normal. Personally, me, yeah, I'm not going to be able to finish all this. I have like 4 more shrimp left. A little bit of the rice, some mashed potatoes. Everything was really good. Excellent food. Highly recommend. This sauce, I could just drink it up. It's really good. I'm really interested to know what's in it. I know it's coconut. That's a given. But what else is in it? If you know, please let me know in the comments so I can try to make it myself. Yeah, I'm done, you guys. I can't eat another bite. Save the rest for later. But if you did enjoy this video, remember to thumbs it up, comment down below, smash that subscribe button if you want to be part of the fam. Also, remember to follow me on my social media. You can follow me on my Instagram page, which is at imeddieanthony. If you're on TikTok, you can also follow me there. It's same thing, at imeddieanthony. Alright guys, until next video, you guys be safe. Much love. Peace.